Once your loan officer sends you your disclosures package, everything they need you to sign will be combined into one of two document types. First are documents that you can e-sign, meaning to sign electronically. Next, there may be documents that you are required to physically sign. Let's begin by looking at the process of e-signing documents. You'll see right away the DocuSign logo as the document opens. First, you'll be asked to agree to the use of electronic records and signatures, then hit Continue. Now, when you get to the first signature request, you'll be asked to select from a provided signature style or drawing your own signature on the screen. You'll only have to make this choice one time. Every subsequent signature will use the same preference. Just go down the document, and each time you tap the Sign button, your preferred signature will appear. You also may notice the dates are auto-filled for your convenience. There may be spaces on the document that request you to check from various boxes, select a radio button, or to use your keyboard to fill in a short answer. Just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll be automatically shown where action is required on your part. When all required fields are completed and you've reviewed the document, you can hit Finish at the top of the screen. You'll be taken back to the main document screen and will see confirmation that the e-signature section has been completed. With regards to the documents that require a physical signature, also known as wet signing, when you tab or click the Sign button, you'll be prompted to download and print the document. Even from the mobile app, many smartphones today can wirelessly send a document to a nearby printer. Once the document has been printed and signed, you can either use a traditional scanner to upload the file to the online dashboard, or you can always use the mobile app scanner function and send the signed document to your loan officer right from your mobile device. Again, once the documents are uploaded, you will see the confirmation on the screen. Your loan officer will be notified right away. They can review the documents and proceed immediately with the next steps in your home loan process.